Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 53. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, that looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips at all. So the front is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. There are no scratches here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door are perfect. I do not see a door ding or scratch here at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel now. This quarter panel looks very good, no scratches here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the SUV. Back here, everything looks excellent. There's no scratches, nothing wrong at all. So the driver's side and back are spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel here looks excellent as well. There's nothing wrong, no scratches or dents. Sorry about that. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look very good. There are no scratches on either door here. Both have no dents. Everything is fine. And now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. There are no scratches, no dents in the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. But first, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Alright, the door panel looks very good. I do not see any wear and tear at all. The window switches look fine. The leather looks very good. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, the front seat looks very good. There's no wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, the door panel looks perfect as well. I'm not seeing any wear and tear or any scratches on the leather. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. As far as navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console. Make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Perfect. Everything here looks really good, brand new, and has no problems at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel buttons. Everything here is perfect, in good condition. Let's take a look at the leather and stitching. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.